Have you ever mixed simple PVA glue and silicone and turned it into a waterproof coating strong enough for bricks and wood? If you enjoy fixing things around the house and trying practical little experiments, this one will be fun. Today, we are taking everyday PVA glue and silicone, mixing them with a few simple ingredients, and turning them into a strong waterproof layer. No fancy tools, no expensive products. First, squeeze silicone into a glass cup. You do not need much, just enough to coat a small surface. Pour a bit of thinner into the cup. The thinner helps break down the silicone, so it becomes smooth and easy to spread. Now you need to mix it well. Take a small wooden stick and attach 3 zip ties to the end to make a simple stir tool. Put it into your drill and tighten it. Turn the drill on at low speed and mix slowly. You will see the silicone turn thin and creamy. If it feels too thick, add a little more thinner and keep mixing. Do not rush. A smooth, even mixture will give you a better waterproof layer later. When the texture looks like thick paint, you are ready for the next step. Now add PVA glue into the same cup. Pour slowly so you can control the amount. PVA glue helps the mixture bond to wood and brick. Take your drill mixer again and stir at low speed. Mix until the glue and silicone blend into one smooth liquid. When you see no white streaks from the glue, the mixture is ready for the next ingredient. Now add cement into the cup. Add a little at a time so it blends smoothly. Cement gives the mixture body and strength like a thin concrete coat. Keep your drill on low speed and mix until the texture looks even and creamy. Then add a small pinch of color powder. This gives your coating a clean look instead of a raw gray finish. Mix again until the color spreads evenly. Where are you watching from? Tell me your city or country in the comments. When everything looks smooth, pour the mixture into a metal tray. Spread it out gently with a small stick. Let it rest for a minute so any bubbles settle. Now you have a strong, flexible coating, ready to test on wood and tile. Take a small wood board and stick masking tape across the middle. This gives you a clean line so you can compare results. Dip a small foam roller into the mixture and roll a thin coat on one half of the board. Make sure you cover it evenly and push the mix into the grain. Leave the other half bare so you can see the difference later. Set the board aside to dry. Now you have your first surface test ready. Now test the mix on a fibro cement roof tile. Put a strip of masking tape down the middle so you can compare the treated side and the bare side. Use a small paintbrush and spread a thin, even layer on one half. Work it into the surface so it bonds well. Leave the other half untouched. Set the tile aside and let it dry. Later, you will see how this mix sticks and protects even on rough roofing material. Pour cement into 2 plastic cups. Add PVA glue to each cup. This helps the mix stick better and stay flexible when it dries. Now add a little cooking oil into both cups. The oil makes the mix smoother and easier to spread. And mix each cup until you get a thick, even paste. Take a moment to check the texture. If it feels too dry, add 1 or 2 drops of water. If it feels too runny, sprinkle a bit more cement. Your goal is a smooth, creamy mix that holds on the stick without dripping. Pour in a splash of 90-degree alcohol. This helps thin the mix, so it spreads smoother on surfaces. Now add a small pinch of red color powder. Mix again until the color turns even. This cup will give you a colored waterproof coat, so you can see the finish clearly after it dries. Keep the other cup plain for a natural cement look. Now both are ready for testing. Bring in 1 clay brick. Put a strip of masking tape down the middle so you can compare later. Take the cup with the red mix. Dip a small brush and start brushing 1/2 of the brick. Cover the surface evenly and make sure you get into the pores. This coat will seal the surface and give a clean colored finish. Leave the other half untouched so you can clearly see the difference once it dries. Then, set the brick aside to dry. Now take 2 clean bricks. Brush a layer of the no color mix on 1 brick. Make sure you cover the full contact area so it bonds evenly. Press the second brick on top and align the edges. Hold it firm for a few seconds so the surface grabs. Set the pair aside and let it cure for a few hours. After it dries, we will check the strength. Time to see what each mix can really do. Check the painted brick. The red coat is even no streaks and it does not rub off on your fingers. Pick up the 2 bricks we glued. Lift and shake them gently. They stay solid. Tap the joint with a hammer. No separation. The bond holds strong and steady. Spray water over both halves. The untreated side absorbs water right away, turning dark. The coated side stays light and dry, water beads up and runs off. So this glue and silicone system gives you waterproofing, color coding, and brick bonding in one setup. You just saw how simple PVA glue and silicone can turn into a strong waterproof coating and a solid brick adhesive. These mixes work well on wood brick and fiber cement. Try it on small projects first, and always work in a ventilated space. If you enjoyed this build tap like so, YouTube shares it to more DIY folks. Leave a comment with the number 1 if you want more ideas like this. Subscribe and come back for the next experiment. See you soon, my friend.